Hello? I haven't streamed in so gosh darn long. Hi, stupid shorts. Early as usual. Let me make the chat a little bigger. I hopefully am streaming in 2K, and I didn't want to take the time to resize all of this, hence why it looks bad. Let me just make my going live tweet, or blue sky post. I hope you... oh my god, my voice is cracking so bad. I hope you can hear me well enough. It's gonna be a pretty cool stream today, I think. Let me just go put on a new song and get a glass of water. This is not the song I meant. You know what? Whatever. I don't think anyone's gonna complain. I'll be right back. I am back. This is pretty loud, isn't it? Only at half volume. Been watching a Monkey Ball modder stream his development process, so my stream quota is being met. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I forget if I said it before I left, but today is a different kind of stream. I'm not going to be playing anything. I'm going to be making something. Yeah. Also, no face cam today because I am ugly. Today. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be like making shit for my game. Let me. Damn, I actually do want to keep this kind of quiet. Let me put on a less crazy soundtrack. It's gonna be kind of a chill, just kind of talking stream. Let's throw this on. Put it on in order, please. So, I guess I'll explain what I want to do. So this is my game. I'll show it off. As you if you follow me, you probably know about this already, I'm sure. Let me mute this in volume mixer. Yeah, we don't get to hear this. Whoops. Yeah, this is my awesome game where you play as a little thingy and you like go around and shit. And it's so cool. And it's awesome. Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to make, if you've played The Binding of Isaac, I want to add a system similar to like the pills / cards from that game. Like I think they're called pocket items. I don't really know. But I want to add that, so I'm going to take a screenshot of my game. I'm going to go to fucking MS Paint. Or can you draw on that in here? You know of that? Wow. Like editing tools? I thought there were. Oh, edit. Here we go. Alright. So, my idea I had was I want there to be like let me do this in like white. I want there to be like 3 little squares at the bottom of the screen. Drawing this with a mouse, it's not the best. And I want these to be like your 3 slots, and they'd be bound to Z, X, and C. You can see that, right? Yeah, okay. So I want you to be able to, like, pick some shit up. I don't know if there's, like, a fucking food item here. I want you to be able to come over here, get this, pick it up, put it in one of your slots, and then you can save it till later. And it can either be, like, I don't know, like a grenade or some shit, or like a heal that you can save for later. So I gotta create this as an item, and I have to create this like UI, and then I have to make a way for them to interact, essentially. So I'm gonna do that. That is the basic premise of this stream, is I want to see if I can get this done today. So I'm going to make a new folder over here. Also, I'm streaming in 2K because that's the resolution of my work monitor. I think I'm streaming in 2K at least. I don't actually know. If someone could confirm, that would be awesome. How do you make a group? Alright, I think I have to make the object first and then I can make a group. So this is going to be P pickup. Oh, I already have something called P pickup? Oh shit, okay, P... Well, what the fuck do I call this then? Forgot 2K was even a resolution. It's great. It looks much better than 1080p and, like, is not nearly as demanding as 4K. So what the fuck am I gonna call this then? I already have P pickup. That's for, like, ammo pickups. Oh, Jesus. Like, P pocket item. I guess, yeah, I don't need to be, like, typing that out all the time, because I'm just gonna make it a parent of other entities. So I'm gonna create a group for this that I'm just gonna call pocket items. And this is just where I'm going to be working out of for basically the whole stream. P usable, that's much better. P usable? Does that have an E in it? I think so. No, I like usable. They're little usable items. Yeah. So yeah, okay, P usable, I'm going to say, I actually have a few sprites I want to import from A-Sprite here. I have these as my kind of like starter ones. These are sprites that I took. I made these for Canon actually. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of these sprites, honestly. So I want to have at least the burger as a healing item that is on this layer. I'm gonna do S burger S use burger, and then I can go here and I can go create a sprite, wherever that is, create a sprite. No, not edit. This image editor is like barely functional. I hate it. Sprites, NEWT, weapons. I shouldn't put it in the weapons, but sure. Alright, edit image, auto trim all frames. I do want them all to actually be 24 by 24. Just so that they... 24 by 24, and we'll do middle center for the origin point. Because I want to just be able to use this sprite for drawing it into the UI as well. I have a problem where the built-in image painting tool is garbage. Yeah, it sucks ass. Oh man, I was actually, there is a way to set your default image editor to be a different program. Like, you could set it to be a sprite, but if you have a sprite that consists of multiple frames, there's no way to get those extra frames besides frame 0 into a sprite whenever you open it up. It's such a missed opportunity. I really hope they fix that someday, but anyway. I'm going to go p usable, and I'm going to create, I guess, just another object called o use burger. And this is going to have the burger sprite. Is in pocket items, which I forgot to name. S use burger. What is the collision mask on this? I'm the only guy watching. You should notify Stella. Yeah, I made some going live posts, but no one showed up, I guess. I don't know if there's like an interesting concept to people. Honestly, I kind of just wanted to do this stream at least to document it, but also if people did show up so I could talk to them, that would be cool. Let's do full image hitbox. No, because, I guess let's do manual. Because I always like it so that having the hitbox be like here so that it overlaps with the ground just slightly, like visually. As a game developer, I'm interested even if I don't use Game Maker. It's fun to watch. I don't watch enough development streams, but I should. So this gets OU's burger. Now I have to think. I might actually make like a flow chart for this or something, some kind of chart, because I need to like really plan out what I'm gonna be doing with it. So I guess I should also create another object for, this is gonna be O pocket. This is gonna be where I keep all my shit. So let's see, I'm just thinking to myself here. This is what a majority of my programming is like, just me scratching my head and like trying to visualize. Right, so I think I was thinking about it yesterday. It's gonna need instructions for how to behave when it's on the ground, instructions for how to behave when it's in your hand. So I'm gonna have in the create event, I'm gonna create in hand as a boolean, make that false. And then in hand is basically going to be the main thing that determines the state of the item. So like, I'm thinking, and I'm kind of torn about how I want you to even interact with them when they're on the ground, because I have two kind of separate systems, which I guess I can demonstrate. So I'm torn between two different inputs for getting the item, or a third option, which I'll describe after I show my current thought process. So there's kind of two different ways to interact with items currently. Picking up a weapon is just you press E and you get it. And you also, if you press E, you flap your mouth, which is awesome. But with these, you have to either hold up and E or crouch and press E, so that, I don't know, just to differentiate them. So I'm kind of thinking whether I want to, like, also, picking up a corpse is just E. That's not, like, down and E. So I'm really torn. I guess I'll just go with pressing E on it puts it in your inventory for now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So, it's not even really something that I needed to figure out at this very moment. Let me see, I haven't been reading chat. It's Goose Baby Game Maker? Oh yeah. I'm currently trying to figure out or, well, not figure out, but I'm trying to work my way through making, how did I describe it earlier? Like a single-use, like, pocket item. Similar to the cards or pills in Isaac, if you're familiar. And I'm making a burger. How's progress coming? I basically just started. I'm kind of just thinking through the logistics at the moment. Let me turn the music down for myself so I can think a little better. So... yeah, okay. I guess I'm just going to go to the step event. I think I'm overthinking it a little bit. I'm going to go if in hand, then this block of code, and then else. So this is for when held and when on the floor. Been working on basic sprite sheets, got basic movement done and collision, that's about it. Not gonna lie, following a tutorial. That's how I started. Yeah, Sarah Spalding, or Sarah JS, is her run and gun tutorial is how I started my game. And then I've just been like adding shit onto it. Like, oh, if you meant progress for like my game, I've been working on this for like over a year now. Progress for the stream I just started. Also, I have audio turned off just so I don't have to balance out multiple audio things. Oh shit. Yeah, no, I did not just start this. Sorry. So yeah, right now I'm adding just another item system. Looks good. Combat looks like it feels responsive. Thank you. Yeah, I feel like it's a game that I want to have a very high skill ceiling, so it's kind of floaty, but if you know how to maneuver it, then it feels really good. As someone who's been playing it for a year, gives Newground vibes, but actually high quality. Thank you. Yeah, I'm very proud of this. Alright, so let me see, what was I doing? If in hand, I guess I want to do, let me look at, I made a script the other day. What did I call it? Like, I know it had funks in it. Player funks, was that it? Yeah, I made this eat this function recently for eating corpses. I was gonna see, his gulp is true, I actually don't need that. And I don't think, no, I don't need the mask index either. So if instance exists, main character, draw it above the character, if the mouth timer is over that, rotate it. I really should comment my code more. I think this is... oh, right. I might have to rework this. My issue is I can't stick to a single project. I have like 3 different projects, all completely different genres and shit. I was the same way. This is actually... this game started as a practice game because I wanted to make an RPG. And I found out RPGs are really hard to make. And then the scope kind of got out of hand, and it was something that I had been working on and off on since high school, and so a friend recommended that I just make a practice game, which turned into this, which I've been working on for a year, so I think I have the practice down. So I think I need to take this. So this is the code for swallowing a corpse. If instance exists, oh corpse, and the inventory isn't full and the mouth timer is less than 1, then that Yeah, you know what? Actually, I don't really need to do... Let me try something. I have a timeline that I use for the visual element, and it looks like shit. This is probably a really stupid way to do this. Right, so this is what's actually... I'm thinking I can reuse this for the eating shit animation. And then at the end, if I were to take this batch of code and make this more universal, I think this would work. Hold on, I gotta go turn off my heater. It's getting pretty hot in here. I gotta say, honestly, I am very much not used to coding in front of people. So, I'm definitely like overthinking everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. So if in hand, I'm gonna do a left click thing. So if input check pressed shoot. And I'm gonna have input check pressed. I don't actually remember what my other binding for that is. What did I call that? Alt fire. Okay. Let me call this an else if, just so that I can't have both happen. Input alt fire. So this is if left mouse button, if right mouse button. So this is going to essentially... Oh, I also need code for... I wonder if I can just take that from my pickups. Oh, ammo pickup. Step. Yeah, I need vertical speed, gravity. I also need horizontal speed. I don't know why that didn't have it in there. Where the fuck did I put this? Okay. VSP, let me put HSP equals 0. Those are my horizontal and vertical speed values, and then I have gravity. And then I'll come in here and just take all that, I guess. Step. Put this up here, I guess. Vertical speed plus equals gravity. Done equals true. I don't have the done value for this because I don't want it to ever really stop. Collision circle. Okay, this is specific to the ammo pickup. So let me get rid of this extra bit of command. So this is if it's colliding, or if it's a collision event with either the normal collision block or the semi-solid platform. Then I think I just need to do a similar thing for this, except I'm going to change this to X plus HSP. And Oh, I guess I don't need the semi-collision because you're not going to be colliding with that from the side. Y plus sine HSP. Right, because that's 1 pixel in the direction it's going. Or VSP, I mean. But I do need to change it to HSP. Then I do X, change it to HSP, change this to HSP. I'm actually going to do minus equals HSP, HSP divided by 3 so that it slightly bounces off the wall instead of just stopping dead in its tracks. Yeah. So, that seems pretty good. I guess I can close this. I always have a very, very messy workspace whenever I'm... What the hell, where did it go? Whenever I'm like right in the middle of it. Okay. So it has collisions, very cool. Oh, that's supposed to be X, not H. Haha. So, input check pressed alt fire, then I guess I can just do this for now. For like a proof of concept, I can do player heal, 1 health. I think that's an optional argument. Oh, how's the music volume? Is anyone even still here? If someone is still here, let me know what the music volume is like, because I have it turned down in my headphones. I just want to know if it's too loud or too quiet. Player heal. What music? Ah, shit. Okay. This music. Can you hear that now? I'm sorry, I have a really hard time at gauging volumes. Oh yeah, the now playing is supposed to be on. Whoopsie. Okay. And that's at a good volume now? Sorry. It's a bit quiet. It's supposed to be pretty quiet. I don't want it to be that loud. Yeah, let me turn down my gain. I had a problem with peaking on my last stream. Yeah, that should still be good. So player heal and then instance destroy. Here we go. So this is just whenever I have it in my hand and I press left click, it's gonna heal and then destroy itself. And then we can do in the destroy event just generally. No, I don't know if I want it in the destroy event. I'll do my classic repeat. No, I don't need to do that. I have a really bad problem of adding polish way too early. Like, I'm trying to establish the proof of concept here, and I'm worried about the visual elements. Like, that should not... Oh, let me snooze this ad real quick. Okay. So then I want to say, if you right-click it, then x equals... Sorry, no. HSP equals length dir x, which is... Oh, sorry, I put the underscore in the wrong spot. Which is some kind of fucking algebra shit that, like, you give it a length and a direction. It's like something to do with vectors. I don't know. I just know how to use it. I don't know how it works. So I'm gonna say length of 5, which is essentially your speed, and then the direction of a weapon, point, image, angle. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with the vertical speed. So this is like throwing it on the ground. Change this to be Y. Hate math, especially algebra. Who thought it was a good idea to put letters and numbers? True. There are some things... Coding has actually made me a bit better at math, but like there are still some things that are pretty vastly over my head. Like, I was trying to do damage fall off for the guns, and I was trying to base it specifically off of how TF2 did damage fall off, because that's how that's the basis that I started for all of my weapon balancing, was TF2. And it was like, yeah, just use a fucking cubic equation or a cubic function or whatever, and I was like, I don't know what that is. If you look at my damage fall off code though, oh boy is it horrible. It is messy as fuck, and I haven't touched it in months, so I might go back and fix that. So yeah, if you left click with the sandwich, it eats it. If you right click with the sandwich, it throws it. When it's on the floor... Hello, Acro. You're just in time to critique my horrible coding practices. I'm going to go back to NEWT. I want to see... Where did I put... Is it in my step event? Damn stupid shorts. That sounds like a skill issue. I've actually been watching some competitive Mario Kart 8 player recently. I meant gameplay, not just some player. What the hell am I looking for again? Oh, okay, here is the code. Let me mark this down. Pick up his object. So this is for picking up physics objects like boxes and shit. Prop equals instance nearest phys prop. Not object as ancestor. Defrag. With prop. Captured equals true. Else prop equals no one. I'm wondering, so I have a class of object called pPhysProp, which is just my Half-Life 2 style physics props that I have here, like boxes, crates, watermelon, explosive barrel, cinder block. I'm thinking about making another parent object that PhysProp is an ancestor of. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. In my objects, over here with the rest of my parents, I'm gonna make a new parent object just called pHoldable. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I'm stupid, so whatever. No, not physics. Go away. Parent. You're not the parent of anything, but you have children. So, objects. Let's go. Props. Yeah. No. pPhysProp is going to be a child of pHoldable, and pUsable is going to be also a child. And I just saw a tweet by a famous Italian, Irish streamer RT Game saying what? Saying that he had an underground amiibo gambling ring in college where he and his friends would just watch amiibo fight in Super Smash Bros. 4 and place bets on them with poker chips. That sounds pretty fun. I did a similar thing. I did an entirely Diddy Kong, like 64-person, 8-player Smash tournament in a high school, I think. So yeah, I'm changing this to pHoldable. So, and then I can change that there. Prop equals none. Prop buffer equals 0. So this should let me, I can just make anything I want to hold. What language is this? This is a GMS. It's like an offshoot of C#, I think. I mean, it's just kind of a generic coding language. It's or a GML, sorry, game maker language. I like it. It has a lot of the most convenient features from a bunch of different languages. Or at least it feels like it. So, as long as it's not a frag, because P-frags are physics objects that are children of my physics props that are like the debris that comes off of them when you destroy them. So I make it so that you can't hold those. With prop, captured equals true. Okay, so I have the captured thing, so I can actually change... Why the fuck is that? I don't need this. Close you, keep my workspace clean here. Yeah, so this, I can change this to be captured instead of is held, or in hand. Yeah. So that way it's more compatible with so I don't even know if I need the on-floor code, honestly. Let me just try spawning one of these and see what happens. This is kind of just how I test shit. Is I get to a point where I think, oh yeah, that probably won't just crash the game. Let's test it. Alright. Get rid of that. Move one of these just to be out of the way. So, what happens? Can I pick up this burger and eat it? Oh my god! Hold on. I think I forgot to make this a... Yeah, okay, this is not a child of P usable. P user. And then is P usable as a child of... Oh, I just... No, okay, P holdable. Yeah. Okay. I forgot to set that child relationship there. So, can I pick it up now? Draw event for objects, NEWT, undefined value. Prop does not equal no one. Oh, right. Okay, so this is my draw event for NEWT. I have the thing that says that is, it slows down my walk animation if the object is heavy. So I can just make an exception here. If prop doesn't equal no one, and how do I want to do this? I want to exclude this from happening if the prop that you're holding isn't a physics prop. Props equal no one. So if your prop slot isn't empty, then this happens. So if your prop slot isn't open and not object is ancestor, what is this calling for again? I think it's the index of... Oh damn, that sucks. To what Ekru was just saying. Object is ancestor. Prop and P prop.object index prop point object index. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. I might have gotten my logic fucked up there. I'm just gonna fool around with it if so. Oh, right, no, because I do want it to have to be an ancestor of pfizprop. Oh, endpoint speed mod. Oh god, I wish this word so stupid. Represent 1 for object on NEWT. Right, it is upset that this burger doesn't have any physics mass. Physics mass in here? Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna have to make the game crash again so I can read that report better. I'm stupid. Trying to pick up this burger. Step 1, line 55. Let me just alt-tab out of the game. Move my code error over. So in the step event, line 55, it says... Nope, that's not where that's happening. Okay, I think it is my... Yeah, it's in my O inventory item, or object. The speed mod. Right? The speed modifier here. Maybe it is... Hold on, let me just fucking... Oh, thank you for the sub, Ekru. I only just realized your channel name is Sony Playtation. What did you think it? What? What did you think it was? I've said my name before, haven't I? My stream name? Confused when I typed in the URL manually. Oh, cool. I don't know where the fuck, because it's saying that it's in. You thought it was Sony PlayStation? How would I have gotten that? No, it's a reference to a RTVS thing from several years ago. I got really lucky. Yeah, and they just didn't notice. Man, I don't know where the fuck my speed mod is being... Right, like it's because these aren't referencing the physics of the object. Am I stupid? Is this all run in big scripts? There's so many if statements. What do you mean? Like... Yeah, my player code is ridiculously messy. It's a lot. Excuse me. There's a shitload, because this is... I have multiple functions up at the top, and then I have all of my declarations down here. And I have... This is one state, and then I have a crouch state, a dash state, a swim state, and then if you close all those, it's not that much. But and also, a lot of my states are shit that I should turn into functions, but I didn't really know how to do that back when I made them. So I have to go through, I really, really have to clean this shit out, like, badly. I just have not gotten around to it. But yeah, if you close everything, it looks, declaration should go before function definitions? I didn't know that. I'll do that later, whatever. But thank you for telling me. I just don't know where the fuck... Oh, here we go. Hold on. If prop does not equal no one, then I can just do... I can take the same statement that I just made here. It was the begin step event. And object is ancestor. Speed normal. Okay, one more backseat coding thing, yes. Let me know before I pick up this burger. Please. Where the fuck? What? What happened to my physics props? Why are they invisible? If you have an if block with the squigglies and then an else afterwards, you should put the squigglies there too. Yeah, but that's not like completely necessary, right? Because it stopped counting it after the first semicolon, I'm pretty sure. It makes it easier to read? Yeah, that's fair. I'll consider changing that, yeah. I will see. So let's see if we can pick up this burger. Cannot set physics property for object O use burger as physics have not been enabled for this object. Script prop handle. Right. Oh, it's in my prop funcs. Let's see, so... Okay, so I'm gonna do for prop equals NEWT point prop with prop. I'm gonna do if object is ancestor, classic, so if it is related to the physics prop, then it gets all that shit, else you get this shit. And I'm going to copy this, but then just change the physics related stuff to the normal stuff. Length dir, 36, other image angle. And so this is all the, right, this is for throwing and dropping physics objects, which I'm actually going to leave up to individual use cases for my pocket items. So it doesn't need the rest of all this. This is like the prop buffer is so that you don't fire a bullet as soon as you throw an object as well. It disables your gun for 15 frames. The captured equals false. The layer equals home layer so that it goes back to the layer it spawned on. This is, I think, how you launch the object, like throwing it. So, a debounce, exactly. What the fuck does that mean? Alright, let's see if we can pick up this burger. This is awesome, we're so close to picking up a burger. Oh, come on. Unknown object point prop is not set before reading it? Huh? Wait, was that in prop handle? Prop equals NEWT point prop with prop. Hold on. What? There we go. I forgot the underscore, baby. Let's go. When you put in a wait after a button press so it doesn't fire again immediately. Oh. Yep. D-bounce. Let's go! I picked up the burger! Alright, so if I press left click, it will... Oh. Oh, yeah, I have to make its gravity be 0 while I'm holding it. Okay. Good to know. So if I left click... Can you shoot me, please? Thank you. If I left click, I should heal. What? Oh, right. I think I have to set the prop to be no one before I can delete it. So I should just go here and go... NEWT point prop equals no one. Think, oh yeah, if captured, then GRV equals 0, else GRV equals 0.3. That's my gravity. So it shouldn't have gravity while held. Okay, that, I think it healed me. Let me actually put my gun down. Shoot me, sir. Oh yeah, okay. Hey, well that's fucking cool. So that's, at this point it's essentially just a pick-upable health item. Ooh, Jesus. Fuck me, buddy. Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, well, that's cool. So that is like step 1 of fucking however many. Oh, I didn't try doing the alt fire. Let me see. So if I pick it up, right click. Oh, I forgot to make it not be my prop anymore. Okay. Oh, and also captured should equal false. Yeah, it was false. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Cool! Yeah, let's see if it bounces off the wall. Nope. Did I... That looks like I... It's supposed to be HSP equals negative HSP divided by 3. I forget how I do a simple wall bounce. Let me just check that. Yeah, there we go. And it glides for some reason. Well, that's pretty cool. We got a burger. It bounces off walls, and it slides around, and you... Yeah. Wow. Is this a class for all your throwables, or just this burger? There is a class for all of my pickup items. This is, where is it? Where did I put that? There is a class that it is a child of, p-usable. I'm going to move a bunch of this code into the parent object after I've figured out what I'm going to realistically need for all of them. But like stuff like, you know, eating and throwing aren't going to be universal properties of it. I might make a function of a few of my default, like, if there's like a class where like all of them are throwable, then I'll just make a script with a function for throw prop or whatever the fuck. A throwable interface, yeah. I don't know why, when it hits... When it touches the ground, why doesn't it stop, is all I'm wondering. Do maybe I can just do, if it touches the ground, then HSP times equals 0.95. So that's going to give it some drag every frame. It's going to exponentially decrease by 5% speed, I think. Yeah. So it kind of like slides. I might make it decrease faster. Let me do like 85. But yeah, these are, I am so fucking used to just these little tricks. Yeah, okay. Cool. Doesn't that look awesome? A little burger. I might eventually give it like a health value so you can accidentally shoot it or something. All these magic numbers. Yeah, yeah. I mean, fucking I don't want to have a thing that's just like, oh, deceleration, because I'm only using it in one spot. Like, whatever. I mean, I guess I could have like a global drag. Yeah, maybe you're right. Well, I mean, this, I'm pretty sure all of this is going to be used for all of my pocket items, because they're all going to have the same sense of gravity to them. So it is one spot that's going to be carried to everywhere else. So maybe you're right. Well, I'm going to move all of this shit to the P usable. And then just do, I can just delete this, I think. And then it will inherit the event. This frigid downstairs, that sucks. Get yourself a space heater if you don't have one. The destroy event is empty right now. So I'm just gonna throw all this into the parent event and then do event inherited here. And go to here and create a step event. I love this song. I found it recently through a Tumblr account that is just like posting video game music. I wish that this wouldn't be underlined, because that is proper use of that. Oh, we have the fire going? Cool. I'm trying to live with my heating off since it's been nice lately. Cool. I wish it would warm up here. It's still, well, I guess it's getting a little warmer. So yeah, this is essentially the item done. I'm gonna add a thing so that maybe I can do that actually. I'm gonna create a clone of this timeline. Duplicate, I'm gonna call it T food lerp because it's a linear interpolation. A timeline of a linear interpolation of food entering your mouth. So I'm actually going to take this and put this code at the end of the timeline. Timelines are something that I just found out about recently, and honestly, they're pretty fucking sick. It's basically just keyframes, but for code. And so this is a little animation that, like, I have 11 frames of animation of it going towards your mouth, and then on the 12th frame, it is you swallowing the food. And honestly, that's pretty cool. So this will... No, I guess I want this to be with prop. Oh, whoops, that was the wrong. There we go. Okay, so then if I go up to player funcs, then I set this all, and I also have to remember to set mouth timer to 24. So then if I do this, this is activating the T food lerp, which it's going to play the timelines events out, and then NEWT point mouth timer equals 24. I think that's fine. I guess I should have if instance exists NEWT before all of this. If captured and instance exists NEWT, just so that if I die mid-swallow, it will not, like, I don't know, it won't crash the game. So let's see if that animation just works, or what. Oh. Well, it looked a little weird. It did look like it zoomed into my mouth. Is there... Oh, you know what? I probably want prop to be no one before I... do that, so that I am letting go of the item before, so that it can actually... The X and Y were being overridden by the fact that it was a prop. Oh, okay, that didn't really work. It's close. Huh. No. Okay, well... It's close. It's doing the up and down thing, but it's not doing... Oh, that's because the X was... Right. So I can just... This is gonna be annoying, but I can open up all of my moments and throw this into all of them, which is going to do the x-axis of my linear interpolation, which is what's currently not happening. And I think it's only supposed to play for 10 frames, but fuck it, I'll do 11. So it's slowly moving towards where my character is centered on the x-axis every frame by like 20% or something. Hey, that's pretty close. Now it just needs to like get eaten. So maybe I'll do with NEWT point prop. I don't really know what the difference is, and then I'll get rid of this. But I have a feeling this might work better. And this is, I think, stopping it from... I don't really know. Because at the end of this... It should be, like, getting rid of it and healing me, but I have no idea. I don't know why it's not working. Let's see. Well now, oh right. Fuck. Damn it, man. Okay, so I'm kind of at like a catch-22, I think, unless I can... think if I just, in my player funcs, I can come down here. No, it's my prop handling functions. Where the fuck I left those? Where are they? In my prop handling functions, I can make an exception for here if NEWT point mouth open is less than, yeah, is less than 1, then the X and the Y are me holding them. Otherwise, and the mouth open is me doing my mouth opening animation, keeping my mouth open for 24 frames. Yeah! Perfect. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. Let me retry that with actually having taken damage. And let's see. Fuck yes, that's fucking perfect. That's so awesome. Okay, okay, okay. I'm happy. That's awesome. I'm clapping for myself. Let me drink some water. You know what? Let me turn the game's audio on so you can actually like see it and hear it. Oh yeah. Were you floating when you jumped? Yeah, my physics props have become invisible for some reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna fix that soon. I think it's just... So let's see this. Awesome. Can you damage me? Please, damage me. Oh. Cool. That's so great. That's so awesome. Yeah, because there is a physics prop right here. There's supposed to be. Anyway, I don't know how I fucked those up so bad. Let me unpause the music. I think it was whenever I made P physics prop a child of P holdable. Draw step. It should be draw self. Create. I really don't know why this happened. If I do like image X scale equals 1 and image Y scale equals 1. It's not 12. Is this like gonna fix it or what? Oops, I forgot to mute the audio. No. That's fucking weird. Hold on, let me... Can you do compound assignment in this? I don't know what that is. Maybe. Holdable. I'm gonna remove it as a child and see if they still appear. X scale equals Y scale equals 1. Oh, I have no idea. What the fuck? Why the fuck aren't they showing up? That's so weird. I didn't just like fucking... No, see, because there's boxes here. If you look in the level design, there's a box there. What the fuck did I do wrong? What did I do? Oh, I put that in this. Oh fuck! In the specific one for. Let me show the parent event. Open parent event. I put that in the specific one for the soda can. Can I add in-app purchases? Yes, I will. I'll add fucking TF2 hats. Okay. Still not the problem. Well, what the fuck? What did I even... I didn't even really touch these. Oh, is the music over? Hold on. Yeah, so that was the Einhander soundtrack. Pretty cool. Here is a Dungeons and Dragons game soundtrack for the Sega CD. Or at least some of the songs. The ones that I liked. I'll turn it up for myself a little. Man, I really didn't expect to have to fix this shit on stream. P-holdable is a child of P-usable, which is... Or no, P-holdable is a parent of P-usable, which is Cheeseburger. Is it something to do with... Because I don't know what the fuck... Also, let me put this on a different line. Honestly, it doesn't really matter right now. I might just fix this off stream. Because I want to get my inventory part done first. Let me go back up to Cheeseburger, close all but this. So, I want to make a sprite real quick. I'm gonna make a little box to put my burgers in. It's just gonna be real simple. I guess this is basically good enough. I'm gonna just like, I don't know. This is what it's gonna look like. And I'm just gonna make this my S pocket. GameMaker only offers a Ubuntu install package. That's so true. I guess you're admitting to being a Linux user? How horrid. How horrible. Ubuntu. Let's create... No, not an object. Shit. Oh, man. Destroy. Create a sprite. And this is going to be S pocket square. Import this. SS pocket. Yep. We're gonna do middle center. Okay. So then we're gonna come over to O pocket, and this is going to have an array. Then I'm just gonna call the array slot. Probably a more efficient way to declare arrays, but I don't care. So slot 0 and 2, or 1 and 2. I forget, how did I do it in my ammo? Oops. Ammo counter. Did I have a specific how did I do? fuck. Oh, my old code. Oh, I love you. What the fuck was I even talking about in here? Why is this indented? Drawing sprites. Okay, S weapon list. Okay, no, because I can just tell it. What does the width do? It means, like, execute this code in this object. So, like, with a weapon changing the ammo count. You know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do... So we're gonna do a draw on the GUI layer, excuse me. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna set a scale variable equals 2. Then I'm gonna do draw sprite. Now which draw sprite do I want? Sprite, subimage XY. I think I just want X scale and Y scale. Is there one that's just X scale and Y scale? This is the closest one. Okay, so it's gonna be S pocket square subimage 0 because it's only got one frame. X is gonna be right. So this is gonna be resolution width minus sprite width. Oh no, minus hold on, let me do a variable for half the width. SPR half width equals sprite get width of S pocket square divided by 2. So then I can do plus, I could, yeah, minus that and then plus that. The Y is going to be resolution height minus like 50. I'm just getting a feel for it right now. X scale and Y scale are both going to be scale. Rotation is 0. Color is C underscore white. And alpha is... I'm going to make an alpha variable, just in case I need it. Alpha equals alpha. So that's square 1. Make my fucking window a little bigger here. Can you can barely even see that, damn. Okay. Sorry, I have a bad habit of making my code really fucking small. So then this is gonna be plus, and this is gonna get rid of half of that. So O pocket. So far it is just drawing 3 sprites to the screen. Let me go throw that in test and see if it draws it properly. Nope. Huh. So what did I do wrong? I'm thinking it might be something to do with this, but no, because then... Let me just set the X and Y values to be like 50 each, just to see, like, is it even drawing it? Or is there something else that I fucked up with? Yeah, I don't see it being drawn anywhere. My scale is set to 2. Alpha is set to 1. Sprite is there. Subimage is 0. Put a console output there to just see if it's even running the code. I don't know how to do that, but sure. Console. God damn it, man. The fucking, like, IntelliSense has been horrible for me recently. I think some update fucked it up, because it always just recommends me macros every time I type in anything. Output. Console right line or something. I don't know how to output to console. Log output? Log? Show debug log. Maybe. This function can be used to switch on and off the standard debug log in console when testing the game. Nope. Well, whatever. Oh, I put the wrong fucking, I put the wrong object in the scene. Oops. That'd do it. Here we go. Real object this time. Okay, well, it's drawing to where I set it to draw, so. The thing is, though, the other ones are not. So 100, because down is positive and up is negative. Oh, what the fuck? They're all the way over there. Oh, right, resolution width divided by 2. Also, I need to remember to move the game, because it's just annoying me. Stop. Okay. True, very true. Oh, this one is not minus 100. Let's make this not be divided by 2. Because I forgot that I'm scaling them up, so... Okay, now they're overlapping, so now I'm gonna do times 2. Close. Very close. 2.5. So that's gonna be, I think, what I wanted. Okay. Yeah, that's like more or less where I want those squares. I'm gonna change this though to go back to 50. Yep, these sure are squares. You're so right. I think I'm gonna change the scale to be 3, so that they're going to be like 150% larger than that. I'd love to eat that burger. Let me make it 4 just so that it's at least... No, because that would be fine. Making it 3. I'm just worried about the pixel art resolution. Yeah, no, 3 would be fine. So scale is 3. Let me just tab these out so that they're... Now that looks even worse. Alright, so we have squares now. Let me make this 3.5 so that they're even further apart from each other. Okay. I think that looks fine, though I am going to change this to be like 75. I'm just fucking around. I really should. I should do like a V offset equals 75. And then just because I don't want to have to keep changing these three numbers over and over again. I have a bad habit of just doing that. You know me. Okay, that honestly looks pretty good. So now, pick it, not what I meant to do. If I press E on it, I want it to go into the inventory. That is my goal. Fuck off.
Drow, save the king.
I forgot about this
Prince
song.
is gone.
If you can even call it a song, I think that was it. I just thought it was really funny that was on the soundtrack. Drow, save the king. Prince is gone. Alright, let me throw on some other music. No, change it to... shuffle tracks. Awesome, okay. So I've got this fucking burger, and now it's all wet. Yeah, Ekru, save the prince. Or, save the king. Prince is gone. Yeah, so now, I'll turn the music down a little bit. So now, I want to make it so if you interact with any usable item, because this is something that's going to be universal to all of them, if you you know. God damn it, I can't think of this song. Let me just turn my own headphones volume down. Is it a little loud? It looks a little loud on the mixer. That's about like half. Alright. Sorry, I really can't think with music, but I don't want it to just be dead air. So I'm actually going to put this in the begin step event, just so that it has its own completely separate step event. So I'm going to do if collision circle of XY radius is I usually set the radius for this to be 48 because that's 2 tiles. And then object is NEWT. And then both of these are all false. And I'm going to do and input check pressed interact. Okay, so this is for putting it in the inventory if you're not crouching. Also, I should say and not input check pressed. Or just input check, actually. If you're not crouching and you're not pressing up, input check, I think it's just up and down. I think those are the verbs yeah, it's just up and down. Okay. So if you're not crouching or holding up and then you press E and you're within a certain range, then this shit is going to be send pocket item to pocket. So I'm thinking about making this a queue, like first in, first out, or first in. Yeah, first in, first out. So how would I go about doing that? I'm trying to think, like... So, my one problem, if you'll let me just ponder for a second, my problem is, in the Binding of Isaac, you pick up the item just by walking into it. Also, that's what I'm modeling this off of. You pick up the item just by walking into it, and you only have the one slot. So if you walk into something else, it just replaces it. But where I have 3 slots, how do I determine what the player, which slot it would replace something into? You need a way to select which slot is active. I'm thinking that. So I'm thinking of having each slot bound to Z, X, and C. That was the controls that I had kind of considered. So like, if an item slot isn't selected and you press the associated key, it would select it. Then if you press the key again, it would use the item? Question mark? Does that sound right? Or does that sound like kind of annoying? I was also thinking, I could change it later, but that would be annoying. I'm also thinking, what if they just literally get pushed left to right? Like, if you get a new item, then the one in the right gets pushed out, and you drop it, and the one that you just picked up gets put in the leftmost slot, and everything, the other 2 items move over 1 slot. That would piss you off? I guess. I mean, that is how picking up multiple trinkets works. Because you don't select your trinket space, but you can press R2 or control or whatever the fuck, not control, to switch your active items. Oh, you meant multiple active items. Yeah. I mean, if I do just have it be like control cycles your little cursor, is that fine? Like, is that good enough? But and I guess that would just be a replacement cursor, because I still want you to be able to access the buttons, or access all of your slots through the button presses, like individually. It's kind of a tough situation. The other thing is, I could make it arrow keys, like just move a little cursor around. I don't know. I'm so torn. I honestly think just cycling through all of them. Or what if I just make it so that the player has to get rid of it themselves? Like, if you don't want a fucking item, take it out and throw it away. I think that's honestly the best. And if your inventory is full, you just don't fucking get a new item. I think that might be the best option. Because then you can just press C, then it's in your hands, and then if you want to get rid of it, just fucking right-click. I think that's the best option. And it's also the most, like, actively chaotic, because, like, if you have a fucking, like, grenade in your slot and you want to get rid of it, like, you have to arm that shit and throw it. If you want to pick up, like, a sandwich. I think that's the best option of the 3. So I think I am just going to make it a Q. Or no, that's not even what I decided on. God, my memory's bad. It's literally not what I just said. Alright. So do I want it to be an array then, or do I want it to be a list? Because you can because I think a queue would still be the most useful No, maybe not. I don't know. I guess I'm not really brushed up with my array functions, I'll be honest. So, let me just say send pocket item to pocket. Let me press D. Send pocket item to pocket. So, right, it should be the nearest one though. Or maybe it should just like... I might want to have a loop here. So like if you're... Because if you're standing in front of multiple of them at once, it should be able to take up to 3. Like the 3, I guess, just left to right. Yeah, okay, I'll just fucking get started. So if O pocket point slot, whoops, fuck, no, it's not. If O pocket point slot Oh yeah, I can do that actually. So I'll do a for loop even. For var I equals 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus. I guess I can do I is less than O pocket point slot point length? Oh no, it's array length, right? Array length O pocket point slot. I think -1 because it's an index of 0. So then I'll say if hold on, let me do what song is this? Let me turn this up, I can't even hear it. I kind of want a variable for O pocket point slot. Fuck it, I'll just do var array equals O pocket point slot. Now let me do underscore array. Okay, so if array I equals no one, then this shit. So then I do array I oh yeah, I do 2 equals. Wait a second, p usable. Oh wait, I'm doing this in the item. Equals self, I guess. And then I guess instance destroy? Maybe. I don't know. Let's fucking test it and see what happens. In my O pocket, I'm just gonna draw the sprite for the first one. Slot 0 point sprite index. Let's see what happens. Let's fucking figure this out. Ha ha ha. Oh, Jesus. Enable the find instance for object index -4. Oh, pocket draw. Right. Oh, is there an easier way than just saying if? So annoying. Because it's pissed off that it doesn't have a sprite to actually draw. Tab out fucking with your router? That's awesome. I wish you luck. I hope you win. I guess let me just do fucking if slot 0 does not equal no one, then do fucking this. It's so annoying. Cool! It's in my slot. Alright. That's so awesome. I'm feeling fucking powered up right now. Okay, so the burger is in my slot. That's correct error checking, but I don't like it. I mean, the thing is I can just fucking do... I could actually probably just do a... No, I couldn't. Fuck! Those need to be 2. Why? Why did it put it in 2? Huh? Why did it go in both? Why does it give me 2 burgers? Not 2 burgers there, are they? I didn't just put a fucking extra burger? Put it all the way up here so I can watch it fall. This fucking shit should not be in my inventory twice. What the hell? Maybe the array length can be. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I realize that. It is true for all of my... Yeah. Instant destroy, break. I need a break statement. Perfect. Yes! Now I need more burgers. We just need to find the first entry container? Yeah. Fuck yes, let's fucking go. Cool. So now... this is unrelated. Key usable. So then if you come here into pocket, I'm going to do a step event. And I'm gonna say, oh, I have to actually assign new verbs. I haven't had to do that in a while. Weapon menu. So this is a plugin that I have. This is not default to GameMaker. This is a plugin I have called Input, which enables agnostic controller support, as well as making it so that you can just say, you can assign a verb to a key instead of having to put the key every time. So you can check for like the up input or the down input. It's awesome. It's so fucking awesome. Pocket slots. Pocket slot racer. Remember that shit? So, pocket slots is gonna be slot 1 is gonna be input binding key Z. Oh, so it's supposed to be a comma. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I might die. Man, this has been a fun-ass stream so far. I was really worried about this, but like, oh wait, no, slot 0. Slot 0, slot 1, and slot 2, just to keep it, you know. So ZX and C, very cool. Oh, and then I have to do that for gamepad as well. Oh man, what the fuck? Oh no. Oh, I didn't even think about this. How the fuck is excuse me, how's controller gonna do this? Shit, where's my PS5? Okay, insane idea. What if I bind it to the left stick? Like, I want to have something. It doesn't have to be good. Fuck, man, that's so terrible. It's actually so terrible. I actually have no idea how to bind this for controller. You know what? I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to worry about that later. So I'm going to say... What's the best way of doing this? Maybe like a switch statement? I'm going to do that. No, I don't, because now I don't know what my switch would be. No, I guess I do actually. I think I can do switch. Have to be lowercase. Switch input check pressed. Can I say value? Underscore value? I don't know what that is, but like, sure. No, I don't think that works. Oh wait, I think I can do last key. Keyboard last key. Is there an input last key, I wonder? put check. Press most recent. Yes, hold on. Get rid of that. Check press most recent returns the most recently pressed verb from among the array of verbs provided. If no verb array is provided, all defined verbs will be checked instead. Okay, so then I think I can do case slot 1 and then do a break. I think this might work. Let me do some debug shit. I'm just gonna say like fucking no. Fuck it, I guess yeah, we'll figure it. I guess I want to spawn instance create layer on NEWT point X, NEWT point Y, on the layer player, and slot 0 or slot. How do you like object index? I guess so. Sure. So I'm creating it. I'm making. Oh yeah, let me do var item equals that. Let me do underscore item actually. NEWT point prop equals underscore item, and then slot 0 equals none. I think that's all I need. Oh. Whoops, I meant slot 0. Okay, I didn't know how that part went actually. Z. Okay, so what is... I'm able to find instance for object index -4. Is it... Why the fuck is that crashing? Let me open the debugger. See what the fuck is happening. Okay. Damn it, why did that... Why aren't you showing me what the fuck is bugging? What? Normally it's supposed to bring you to the place that the fuck up happened. What the hell? For object index for step event 0 for object O pocket. Oh, wait. I think it's still trying to read this. Right. I think, right? I think it's still trying to read this as though there's an item. So if slot 0 is not equal no one. Right, I should have figured that out, I think. I need to encapsulate all of this and something like that so that it doesn't try and do it when it's empty. Yeah. Huh? Draw event. Let me do with underscore item captured equals true. Because it was not captured, and that might just be what's happening. I don't know. Yes! Oh my goodness, fuck. That's so great, actually. Let's fucking go. That's basically the whole fucking system. Can you shoot the burger? No, but soon. Soon I will let you. Oh, shoot it from the gun. No. I don't know. I don't know how the fuck I would do that. Maybe if I had like a food gun, that would be kind of fun. I don't know. So I could basically just copy and paste. Copy and paste all of this shit. I'm gonna do the grievous sin of search and replace. What the fuck is this song? Oh. Alright, so let's see if that works. I should be able to drop all my burgers now. Oh, true. Right, so if slot does not equal no one and NEWT point prop equals no one. Because I need to not be able to take out multiple at a time. Or maybe I can't. Maybe I should let you. Ow. Cramp on my side. Yeah, okay, so you can't take out multiple at a time anymore. You can throw your burgers around. If you get hurt, just take one out and eat it. Take two out and eat it. Fuck it. I don't care. I kind of don't like an NEWT point X plus 15 times NEWT point facing right. Because that is... Oh my god, these fucking voice cracks today are driving me insane. That is... I have a facing right value for him, so that I can tell. And I'll do... global point NEWT center it's genuinely important enough to have a global variable for it, so I do. So that should just make it look not as bad. Yeah, it looks like it's coming out of his pocket. Yeah, that's actually pretty cute. I like that. It's like, fucking he's bringing it out. Oh yeah, if it's in his hand, it should have a higher depth value than him. I'll actually even put that in the usable begins depth repeat usable. If captured and instance exists. Oh, NEWT. Then depth equals depth minus, I think, like 10 is the standard I use for this kind of a thing. Oh, I actually don't know if my step event is being inherited. Yeah, so you can pick it up. Huh. So I just tried to press E while I had the burger in my hands. So, I think I want E, if you're holding an object, E should put it back in your inventory, I think. So, can I just do NEWT point prop? No, if NEWT point prop equals self, then one maybe, like drop it just before. Damn, man. Maybe this will work. Yeah, okay. I don't know why it does that. Oh, it's not doing it anymore. Weird. What the fuck? I don't know. It's pretty fun. That's pretty cool. I still don't know why the fuck the physics objects are broken. Excuse me, oh my god. Alright, well, I fixed that crash, which is nice. I actually want to see something. I have toolbox. This does a cute little rotation thing that I like. Image rotation. EXT. What I'm gonna do. This is just for some. What the fuck? This is just for some visual polish. Sprite. Sprite index. Image index. Why it's so mad at me? Does this have to be the same way? Okay, no, it's just mad at the lack of arguments. Okay, we'll get there. So let me match X and Y. X, Y. X scale, Y scale. Say 1 for each. I mean, maybe I can have a big burger, I don't know. Rotation has its own specific value. And I guess I'll do color. Color equals white. Alpha equals 1, and then rotation equals 0. So, I guess I could change these to be like scale. Which should go above 21? Nope. Oh, why is this the fuck? Man. I don't know why that was in there. I really need to curate some of this shit. Oh, I think this might get mad. Maybe? Nope. Oh. Oh. I did something a little wrong. My burgers are not supposed to always rotate. Oh, I guess it's this rounding thing. Why not? What? I don't know why you're asking that too, sorry. I have streamer brain. The song? I don't know. It's just been a while. Oh shit. Times VSP. The absolute value of VSP. So they should... Oh my goodness, they all flipped over. I don't know. I actually just don't like how that looks. I'll figure out something for polishing them up later, but I think that's fine. So, I mean, we basically have the whole system. This is pretty much everything I wanted to get done today. Getting 3 burgers, being able to eat them. 1, 2, and 3. That's awesome. I guess now I just want to make... Maybe I'll make one more item. Let's make a grenade. I already have a grenade. Object. So I'll just make this a pocket item, a P usable. I actually don't think I want any of this because this is a physics object. Just gonna override that event. And oh shit. Begin step. If captured, alarm 1 equals 80. Let me... What's my burger? Here's my burger. Let's see about this. So if you're captured, the gravity should be equal to 0. Alarm 1 can equal 80. That is the arm timer for the grenade. Should probably figure. Press shoot. Then I guess I just want you to... Well, I mean, that's already gonna happen. Right, because I have a props function script for that. Where the fuck is it? I've lost everything. Prop functions. So I already have the thing for this. You know what? Fuck it. Function prop throw. Take all of this. So that I can call this from multiple places. Throw. And then... Wait, actually, I didn't even realize I had that. Oh, right, those are force commands. Oh, shit, okay. So I actually didn't need to do any of that. I'm stupid. I forgot I had shit built in to force you to throw it. So I think I can just call prop handle throw. Throw... no. Sorry, true. Prop handle true. And then if I do alt fire, it'll do prop handle false true. I think. So this should, if I can get my grenade back. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Ow. Why did it blow up? Oh, right, because that's the destroy event. Okay, well, let me change that. So destroy is event inherited and explosion. So I can just delete this. So begin step. I have an HP value for this, right? Do I? I think so. If HP is less than 0, then explosion, which is a script I made just because you need to make so many fucking explosions, and I wanted to have like a customizable thing with several arguments. So if HP is less than 0, or explosion destroy, right. I also want the instance destroy in my begin step. So that shouldn't destroy it. What? The HP wasn't set. Really? I thought it had HP. Alright, well, I'll just, let me comment that out. Because I thought I had a system where if you shot the grenade enough, then it would explode prematurely. Oh. It doesn't like that for some reason. Is it something to do with my usable? Where the fuck did I put it? Hold on, I want to see what happens just if I pick it up, because I have no idea. I'm not able to pick it up. Am I able to? Okay, well it's also disabled all my shooting buttons, so I think I do have it picked up technically. It's just, it doesn't like it. I think maybe I have to do like is there a way to check if it's a physics object? So like a physics get. That should just Oh, let me check. What do I do? I have an alt fire that just creates a grenade and puts it in your hands. Hand grenade. Captured equals true, if I active equals false. Okay, so yeah, I think it is just a physics active thing. Front prop. Okay. Oh god, where was I? My current thing is such a mess. If object is ancestor, self point object index. P-Fizz prop. Is it even a child of P-Fizz prop? I don't know. P-usable. No, it's not. Well, what the fuck? How do I check if it has physics enabled? Hold on. Let me consult the internet. I still have that open. No, cancel. Now. Okay. Yeah, let me consult the internet about this. GMS to check if physics are enabled. Detect object to get physics. Okay. So I can do if object get physics. I gotta sneeze. Oh, excuse me. If object get physics self point object. Oh yeah, I think I can just do object index. Then if I active equals false, which deactivates the physics. So maybe, I don't know. This hopefully works. So if I take the grenade and then I put it here. Why does it disable my shoot? I have no idea what's happening. I can't press ZX and C. I can't fire my gun. Damn, man. Close this shit. Expose and destroy. If captured, an instance exists. Oh, NEWT. If input check press shoot, prop handle should throw it, right? If underscore throw equals true, which I'm telling it, it is true. And it is the prop. It is the prop of NEWT, right? Maybe I do enable fizz enable? Fizz enabled? What the fuck is it? What the hell? It's Phi active, right? Yeah. Alright. Fi active div equals true, and then throw it. But it says fucking... It's already doing that in the command. It's like... It's something about, like, it's not really setting it. I feel like the object doesn't believe that it is actually the prop. Like... Because my prop functions, where the fuck I put them? Yeah, my prop functions here should already be dictating all of this. Oh, wait a second. No, wait, what? Because should I... Because this is always being run in the weapon object. If object is ancestor... Oh shit. This should just be if object get physics underscore prop point object index, because the grenade is not a child of physics props anymore. The home layer was not set. Right. Home layer, that's easy. That's an easy one. Home layer equals layer. Oh fuck yeah, turn this shit up. Hell yeah. What the fuck? What? God, this is becoming so cool. So, the only thing is, it doesn't tumble around and roll anymore. Oh, you know what? I can just override this event because it's drawing the sprite instead of just letting it be. Because I was telling it too specifically how to draw without actually saying, like, cool. Eat me a burger. Fuck yes. So it is actually, while it's captured, it should have... If it's captured, it should active equals false, because it's still, even though it's not moving down, it's still accruing gravity while I'm holding it, so it's, the longer you hold it, the more downwards trajectory it has when you throw it. That didn't actually seem to help. What the fuck? That is what? Why is throwing it just being a little weird? phase X and phase Y is length dir, HSP, other point image angle. Oh. I should specify, because it's not, this isn't specifically coming from a weapon anymore, so I should just have an arbitrary statement that says to base it on, I think that was actually, yeah. Cool! Only thing is really that, it is, you throw it really fucking far. I'm almost wondering if I should have like a speed override. Yeah, sure. I'll do that. I'll have a speed override. Because I have this speed multiplier at the end. Speed equals 1,000 by default. And then I'll do true, and then that, and then like 500. So like throw it half as strong. I still feel like it's coming from a weird spot, if that makes any sense. Alright. No. I guess not. That looks fine, honestly. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Why did that happen? Why did the nearest corpse just come to me as well? Okay, that's interesting. So if I have burgers, and there's a corpse active, eating a burger makes the corpse come to me, for some fucking reason. So why the fuck? Why is that the case? Very confused. Let me go look at my two timelines. Food Lurk and Swallow Lurk. So Food Lurk is the player heal. This is weird. I don't know why. I have no idea why why the timeline gets activated for the nearest corpse as well. Because I have this bit of code that is for swallowing the nearest corpse, you know, when you're near one. If you interact with nearest corpse, if instance exists, there's a corpse, you know, inventory is full and mouth timer. If collision circle. NEWT. Let me just clarify here that I mean myself. 48 nearest corpse. And the nearest corpse alpha is greater than 0. I don't know why the fuck I have that. The alpha? Yeah, the alpha doesn't even... Oh, that was for an old thing. I may as well keep it. And it's not a big corpse, and the freshness is greater than 0. And you press the interact button. The nearest corpse should fly towards you. Nearest corpse should fly towards you. Weird. Weird. Does that just happen every time? What the fuck? Is it because target Oh, okay, I think I know why. This is always running in the NEWT state because previously... Wait, but am I even calling eat this for something else? What? That's what I'm confused about. Cheeseburger. I don't think I'm even calling eat this. Right? Yeah, no, I'm not. What the fuck? Something I really wish that GameMaker had was just the ability to check literally all of your code for something. Like, Control F, C, like all the places that I call this. I guess probably an NEWT. It's a good place to start checking. In my create event. Eat this. No? Really? In the begin step. If mouth timer. Oh. That makes sense. Okay. So just if the mouth timer is greater than 0 at all, then it's going to try and eat the nearest corpse, no matter how far it is. So... Right. So I'm just going to say... If nearest corpse point distance. Oh, I know. Point distance? If point distance nearest corpse x, y, nearest corpse point x, nearest corpse point y is less than 48, then eat it. Okay. I figured it out. And if this doesn't solve it, then I am so fucking confused, because this should solve it. Okay, so Eat the burger. Yes. Perfect. It doesn't also vacuum up a corpse from half a mile away. Awesome. Okay. Well then, I think that does actually officially cover everything I wanted to do today on stream. If you can believe it. I mean, unless you guys wanted to watch me code something else, but like, I really don't think you would want to. But yeah, that's basically it. That was everything I'd set out to do today. I don't even know if anyone's here anymore. It says I have one viewer, but sometimes I think it rounds up by one. Yeah, okay, I guess speak now or forever hold your peace. I mean, if you did, what you wanted to do today, that's all right to stop there. Yeah, true. Yeah, basically. Oh. Let me just reformat that back to how it was supposed to be. Yeah, okay. I guess that makes sense to me. Let me do my stream closer. Oh, it's so small. Everything has got so fucked up because I'm streaming in 1440. Yeah, okay. Well, I guess thank you to everyone who showed up. I think Ekru is gone now, but thank you, Ekru, for coming and helping and talking and shit. That was cool. That was very fun. I actually was very much, like, kind of anxious about doing a game development stream. Because I thought that just, I don't know, numbers and shit would be too boring. But it was super fun. I might actually do this, like, fucking once a week. That would be super cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I know it wasn't the most stimulating thing in the world, but like, hey, there's a fucking new feature in this game. That's pretty sick. I didn't have edible cheeseburgers. Let me... Like, I didn't have any of this shit before. Where'd the grenade go? Did it blow up? Oh. That's not supposed to start on a timer. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, look at this. Let's have a congratulatory fucking cheeseburger. I broke it. That's fucked up. Did I just completely break it? Yup. Okay. Well, then we're not done. I know what I did wrong, though. I just forgot to check if the corpse actually existed. Oh, God. If instance exists, oh, corpse, and... Oops. If instance exists, oh, corpse, and the point distance to that corpse is less than 48. Okay. This should work now. Now we can have a celebratory cheeseburger. So awesome, and a celebratory grenade. Didn't get anyone. But yeah, that's cool. Super awesome. And now I can use this for fucking free marketing on my awesome Blue Sky account. It'll be so great. Everyone will see, oh, you can eat the freaking cheeseburger in this guy. Oh, dude! You're a freaking little animal and you eat a fucking burger? Oh, man. Viral hit right there. Yeah. Okay, now I'm leaving. Okay, thank you for showing up. Goodbye. Oops, I use this scene to record gameplay sometimes. Also, this now playing is here. Yeah. Okay, bye.